Suraj is coming. They have two names, I think.
Oh, that guy. I don't know.
Alright, so when it comes to hold the mic, there are two, right? If you hold like this, it means like you are becoming very much humble. Okay? Holding with both hands. Okay? Means there are some senior people, right? And then you have got some opportunity and then you are speaking. So if you hold with both hands, means you are very much humble. When you hold with right hand, right, it means you have something to convey the information, some knowledge, or some you're talking about some topic, some discussion, right, or some. It can be any topic. You're conveying some information. You're conveying some knowledge. All right, because you take the help of left hand to convey the message and right hand, to speak. All right. Do not move out. Right. Moving out means you are becoming nervous. You are becoming also you are making all the audience available there distracted. Your movement is making them distracted because they are following your movement more than your speech. So either you stop your speech or you stop your movement. Okay, all right, this is for everyone. This okay. So this is the right hand. Left hand, if you hold, it means this hand, right hand, mainly is known for why we use the right hand to execute something, to do something, right? Correct? So right hand, it means you are talking about something revolutionary, something where you want to bring some change, maybe societal change, maybe some sort of, some topic where you want to bring some changes. So this is holding mic in left hand. It simply means that you are a commanding leader. You want some change, very simple. But holding in right hand means you are conveying some information or some knowledge. Holding with both hands means you are becoming humble, and you are, since people maybe you are becoming humble, or you are trying to be very much soft. All right. So these are the three different mode of holding the mic. Okay, fine. And generally holding like this, right? You can hold, it's okay, fine. But generally those performers and all, they hold the mic like this. Okay, but if you can hold like this, again it's good. But generally leaders, they don't hold like this. Okay, they hold like this. They hold like this. Fine. And then they don't hide their face like this. Now don't be the singer and then do not do like this. Fine, you are not some Malayali, I'm sorry, some Bollywood singer or some singer from some other states and all, right, who is just trying to sing by hiding a face. No, your face should be appearing to the audience, to the people. You should be visible to the people. All right. So generally, again, there are so many stages of holding the mic as well. You keeping like in a stack like this, right? Keeping stack like this, you will generally find with the corporate leaders. They keep their mic like this, intact, like this, okay? And then they keep speaking because they know what they are doing, okay? So either, and that generally happens with the left hand. Right hand, okay, you can do that. But generally the best way is like this. So these are the three things you people have to keep in mind when you people are holding the mic. Okay? Okay? Do not like hold like this, right? Then it make no sense. Don't hold like this, it make no sense. Right? You are fine. Grab it. Remember one thing. Remember one thing. There are two stages for a scholar. One, he holds the pen. One when he holds the pen, and one when he holds the mic. If we all have been said, and if we all have been taught that after holding a mic you should go and do something on computer, it's a disruption. A man who has hold a pen, the next thing he's supposed to hold the mic. Very simple. Okay, so this is all right. This is this much only, right, when it comes to the holding the mic. Okay, you guys have any questions? Query it out.